Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how meme coins on Solana are often used in rug pulls and how you can protect yourself before it is too late. So first of all, we need to understand what is a rug pull. So it is when developers launch a flashy new meme coin, hype it up on social media and lots of people to invest in it. The price shoots up, but suddenly the creators remove all of the liquidity, vanish the money, and the coin becomes worthless overnight. As you can see over here, this is what exactly happens in this coin. So on Solana, this happens a lot because it is cheap and fast to create the tokens, and scammers takes advantage of that. They promise you 100x gains, use funny memes and even the fake community to hype or to lure the investors. So once they have enough people that buy their coin, they pull the rug. So the question here is how you can protect yourself from it. So the first thing first, you need to check if the liquidity is locked. So once you come here on dexscreener.com and when you open any of the meme coins in order to take a look at its chart, in the right hand section, you need to make sure that the liquidity has this lock icon. The second thing is that you need to avoid the coins where the developers are anonymous and there is no real project or utility. The third thing that you need to remember is do not carried away by the hypes on the TikTok or any other social media. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. So my final thought would be meme coins can be fun, but they are also risky. So always stay cautious and do your own research and never invest any money that you can't afford to lose. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest breakdowns. Thanks for watching.